Shut up, man. Tell me what it is. What do we got?
Wait, what were you doing out there? Were you celebrating?
I had the zoomies.
You just had the zoomies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perform 30 seconds of vigorous oral on a food of your opponent's choice.
Hell yes!
Or
My
for 45 seconds, add all the individual numbers from your phone number up in your head, including your area code. Have someone check your work.
30 seconds of is going to be a mad challenge for you. You've never lasted that long.
Not a sound. I want to hear everything.
Ready?
what?
I never wanted to hear that. It's getting fairly deep.
I have a really weak stomach. Yeah? I just know it smells like cucumber and spit.
Way too into this.
There you go.
Time's up.
Why did you get so into that?
You're never doing that again.
No, never again.
I don't have a gag reflex for anyone wondering.
That's
That's gay, eh? My bad.
That's gay.